Hey folks, welcome in this tutorial. This is Saurabh, and in this session of tutorial we are going to see a first C program. So this is the hello world program in the C language. Now this is the program which we will write in our console. So before starting the ABCD of C language, we need to learn how to write, compile and run the programs in C language. So to write the first program, we need to open our console. So in the last section of tutorial, we have already installed a software for C programming language. So just go to the start button and open that software. That name is code blocks, and after opening this we'll see here a lots of option, that is release date of the code blocks, creating a new project, open an existing project. So from here we can create our new project, and if we have created then we can open that project from here. There is a tip which will be given by a code blocks itself, and here it is the site for blocks forum and reports a bug or a request a new feature. So you can click on this and request any new features which you want. So we want to create a new project, so click on create a new project, and here you will see a lots of options like Fortran, dynamic link library, directx, Arduino. So we need to go through console application because we are going to do a program for C language. So just click on go, and here it will say that when you are ready to proceed, please click next. So click next. There is a two option comes, that is C and C++. So we want to do C language, so just click on the option of C and click next. Here it will ask for the project title name, that is your file name. So I will write program first, and it is the destination where our file will be saved. We can change our destination by clicking on this three dotted button, and after that it will be the name of project file name with the extension of C language, and here this is the complete path where our file will be saved with the full name. After this click on the next, and here you will see there is a compiler name, that is GNU GCC compiler, which is compile our programs. And here there is a two option for a debug configuration and release configuration. So confirm that there is a check option there, and after that finish it. And here a project has been created with the name of program 1. Click on the sources, and there will be an option that is main C, and it will open our page for programming in the code blocks. And here there is already a program written, that is a hello world program. So here I will tell you every statement which it has been written here. So still we don't need this statement. I will tell you why. So we need to understand rest of these statements. So there is a first statement, that is include stereo.h. So it's mean that standard input output library function. So it's a function of input output library. So here printf is the function from this library. So if we'll erase this library, so this statement will not work, so printf will not work. So for working of printf we need to include stdio.h, that is standard input output. So this is the work of include stdio.h, that is standard input output. After that there is a int main. So this is the main function from where every program enters in C language. So this is the entry point of every programs. And after that there is a printf which we have already discussed, that it is from the library of standard input. So the work of this printf is used to print the data on console. So if you want to print any data, so we need to type that things into the printf, so that it will print that data on the console. And after that there is a return 0. So the return 0 statement returns the execution status to the operating system. So 0 value is used for successful. So here 0 indicates that our program has been successfully executed, and if we'll write a 1, that is for unsuccessful execution. So this was all about these words which code blocks has written here, and after that we'll see how to compile and run the programs. So we can compile it by these two buttons, that is run and other is build and run. So by clicking on this run, it will ask for you to compile and click yes, and after compilation it will print the first program, that is a hello world. So we can run this program with the help of this button, and also if we want to compile and run at the same time, so click on this, it will directly open the console without asking for you to the compilation. So here we are seeing that there is already printed hello world. So if you want to change it, so you can do it. So hello folks, this is Saurabh. Now we'll go here and we'll see that it is still printing this because we didn't save it. So control save, and now here we are able to see that hello folks, this is Saurabh. Now it is printing. So this is the way how we write the programs in language C language, and also we can compile it by with the help of this, and we can run and compile at the same time with the build and run button. And also I forgot to say one thing. So for every complete of the statements or a line, we need to put this semicolon, which will indicate that we have done with that line. So here after writing the printf, here we have written a semicolon which indicates that this line has been ended. Now we'll go to the second line, that is return 0, and after that here we have again written. So every completion of line we need to give this this sign. This will show that this line has been completed. So hope you all guys are now able to understand the programs we how to write programs in C language and how to compile it. Now in the upcoming tutorials we are going to do lots of rocking programs, so that you will be able to easily understand about the programs with the help of C language. But for this video, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share.